Ability,
meaning ability refers to the capacity or power to do something, whether it's a skill, talent, or physical capability. Definition: ability is a noun that describes the quality or state of being able to perform a task, achieve something, or possess a certain skill.
examples in sentences. 1. Sarah's ability to speak multiple languages impressed her classmates. Here, ability refers to Sarah's skill in speaking different languages. 2. Tom's ability to solve complex math problems quickly made him the top student in his class. In this sentence, ability refers to Tom's talent in solving mathematical problems.
Usage: ability is commonly used to refer to someone's skill, strength, or power to do something, whether it's related to knowledge, physical tasks, or creative skills.
English practice.